Okay, this is the Talsa meat grinder. This particular model is the W114. It is 220 volts, 60 hertz, 3-phase. This version you can have it as tabletop. So this is the tabletop, and you see the little feet there. This is the tabletop version. But the exact same model, you can have it higher. It's just the difference of the feet. So you have the option for that. There's the neck and the auger system. Everything is stainless steel. In this particular model, our customer selected from one of, I believe, 5 different variations of the auger system. This is just one of them. This is the plates, the spacer, kidney plate, and knife. So this system here has 2 knives and 3 plates. This is better. 2 plates, 1 kidney plate, and 2 plates in between, and the knives. This system here allows the user to mince the product in one shot versus doing it twice. So this is for faster production. And this here is the top part. Then you have the product stomper there, and this is the machine. We've tested it, working, great quality, good product from the brand Talsa. And here you have the on and off switch. CM Machine Services at your service.